Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing some matte carbon fiber mirror covers onto my Tesla Model Y, as you can see here. So the ones that I got in particular, these are by a company called Eon, however you want to pronounce that. Anyway, I got these off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description down below, guys. They also offer these in carbon fiber, like gloss and some other variants as well. But like I said, I went for the matte because I have some other matte accessories on my carbon fiber matte accessories on my Tesla Model Y. But without further ado, let's get into installing these bad boys. So the first thing you want to do, you want to clean your mirror off, your existing mirror. So what I'm using here is just some Griot's Speed Shine, as you can see here. Just using this to just clean off any existing dirt and grime off of my mirror. You can also just wash your car first if you wanted to do that, or just actually hand wash the mirror with soap, and you could go that route as well. So I'm gonna wash this off real good here. All right, once you get that all nice and clean, the next step you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and get your mirror cap. Might help if I get the right one for the correct side. So let's get this mirror cap out. Mirror cover. And you're gonna go ahead and peel the backing. This is double-sided tape that you see up here. You're gonna go ahead and peel that backing off. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, got the double-sided tape backing peeled off. That might be the hardest part of this whole process. It took me a few minutes to get that off. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my damp cloth. I'm gonna wipe over my whole mirror here with this just damp rag. This is just water on this rag. That's gonna allow you to be able to maneuver the cover once you slide it on, so it doesn't just automatically stick, and you can slide it around to get the perfect fitment. And then once you get it to exactly where you want it to be, you could put some tape up here if you wanted to, just to make sure it sticks and holds on good. I think that's pretty good there. All right, so now we got the first one on. As you can see, I have no white showing. Everything is perfectly aligned. Let's get a close-up on that. It looks really good, really good. All right, so we got this side done. Now we're gonna just repeat the same steps, and we're gonna do it on the other side. So let's go over to the driver's side here. All right, so now we're pretty much just gonna rinse and repeat on this side. So go ahead and clean it off, just like I did on the other side here. And then the hardest part of the whole project, peeling this double-sided tape off. So we're gonna do that next. All right, we got that double-sided tape off now. So we're going to, again, take the damp rag. Again, the more water you use on your rag, or the damper your rag is, and the more water you apply, it'll make it easier to maneuver this in place. If you don't put that much up there, it's going to be a little more difficult to position it where you want to. So once I got that applied there, now we're going to take the cover, and let me come on this side, slide it in place like so. Apply pressure down now just to keep it there. And like I said, you could put some tape here, but I'm just gonna sit here and hold it myself for a few moments. And just like that, we're done. Got both sides complete. That's the driver's side, as you can see there. Looking good, looking good. Let's go over here to the passenger side. Looking really good. Not sure what that is on my car right there. Gotta wash it, obviously. But looking really good there, really good. I hope you found this video helpful, guys. Don't forget to come back for more of my future videos. I'll be doing some more modifications on my old Tezzy here, and other automotive content. As you can see, got a lot of automotive stuff going on here on the channel. So thanks again for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.